Alright, I'm going to make a video for you guys showing you guys how to change out the battery on Acura key. So basically you just hit this tab here in the back, pull out the key, then from here you can like put it in here and pop the back open from the side here. See, like put it in and turn it and it'll pop the back open, and then you can kind of like put it here and turn it and it'll pop the case open. Then this is the battery right here. It's a CR2032. Just pop this out with a screwdriver. Little screwdriver. This is the battery. CR2032. That's the battery you're looking for. Just take the new battery, slide it back in, like so. Put the back on. Snaps in like so, and then put the key blade back in, and that's it. Then you're good to go. You replace the battery. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. It's a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.